is a funnel if I ever saw one.
I don't know if I can get a good view on it. Go up ridge.
I'm not going any farther.
Okay. Not quite sure. I think it's gone. Oh, no, it's still there. It appears to be sidewinding. You can go up ridge. I think it's about a mile or two away, at least. It's there again. I think it's getting bigger. Dear, oh dear. We need a phone to call that in. If you take this, it's going to go all the way and end on county line. I don't see it anymore, but it was there.
Yeah, it was.
That was
awesome.
That was not a scud either. That was a little thin rope.
Okay, get past this house. I'll pull over again.
Alright, let's go all the way to county line.
But I do want to get a picture here.
I can send one to you. Yeah, that is a wall cloud, if you know.
Yep, and then the tornado will be off to the left of it.
Actually, it's at tail end. It could form anywhere in that storm. It's a supercell.